Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Wonder Pick in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first things first, guys, I'm going to open up the app. Now here, you see here, it says Wonder Pick. All you want to do, guys, is just click on that option right there. And now you can just let it load up. Okay, guys, now you can just scroll down. And you can choose who you want to Wonder Pick from. Let's see, let's find something good, guys. This one has a Marowak, we already have that. We already have a Bulbasaur. Okay, it gets actually more expensive, guys, the more you scroll down. Let me just pick one from here. This one, nah. I think I'll pick one from him. I don't have many of these cards. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to tap on it. Okay. And basically, guys, it's going to take one of your currencies right here. I have like about 5. So you can just press OK. So one of my picks is going to go, and I'll get one of their cards. Okay, it's going to shuffle the cards actually. They will be completely random, and if you actually manage to hit the one you want, you just select any card. For example, here. Oh wow, that is a good card. I just got a good card. Okay, guys. Oh, nice. Okay, good. That is good, guys. I got a good card. So don't worry, guys. This card will not actually come from that other person. We're not taking any cards from him. Okay, he gets to keep his card as well. So it's just a win-win, and for both parties. So I hope this video actually helps and answers your questions, guys. And here's my card. So until next time, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble, and I'll try to help you out in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe so I can actually see you guys in the next video. Peace.